Let's have this one. No? For the plane area shown, determine the first moments with respect to x and y axis. So ano yung hinahanap natin dito? The qx and the qy. No? And then the location of the centroid. So ano yung location of the centroid? We have the x bar and the y bar. No? So to do that, we need to build a table. No? So table. Gawa lang tayo ng table. I-tabulate lang natin, no? Tabulate natin yung area. Ayan. And then ito. No? So ano yung mga area natin? So in this figure, pwede natin ito siyang mahati, no? Mahati na to into this figure, no? Isang rectangle, no? Isang rectangle, isang triangle, isang semicircle, minus isang buong circle. No? Klaro? Klaro? Triangle plus, rectangle, triangle plus semicircle minus a circle. No? So, i-tabulate natin yan. Isa, rectangle, triangle, semicircle, at saka circle. And then, sulat natin kung ano yung mga area nila. So, sige. Ano yung area ng rectangle natin? Sige daw, area ng rectangle, we have base times height. Ano yung base? 120 times 80, tama? So we have 120 times 80. How about triangle? Ano yung area ng triangle? 1/2 base times height, tama? So we have 1/2. Ano yung base? Ano yung base? 120. So we have 120 times, ano yung height? Okay, we have 60. Ayan. How about semicircle? Ano yung area ng circle? We have semicircle, so 1/2, no? So we have 1/2 pi, ano naman yung r? 60? 60 ba? Okay, we have 60. And then lastly, circle. Ano yung area ng circle? We have pi, may squared pa to, no? Squared. Pi r squared. No? Ano yung r? Okay, 40. Squared. Ngayong convention natin dito, di ba? Positive, positive, positive. We have negative. So, lagyan natin ng negative yung circle natin dito. Okay? And then, i-total natin. Ano yung total nito? Yung total nito is about, ito yung summation of area natin. This is equal to 13.828 times 10 to the 3. Okay? Now, how about yung individual centroids nila? No? So, if we have a rectangle, nasaan yung centroid niya? At the axis of symmetry, no? Center. No? How about triangle? Ay, ito muna tayo, no? So, yung centroid niya dito, ito yung x bar niya. Ito naman yung y bar niya. So, ano yung x bar niya? We have, okay, so we have 60. How about yung y bar? 60, we have 40. How about yung triangle? Triangle. Triangle is from our table. Gamit tayo ng table, no? Alam ko na yung sagot, pero para mas makita nyo ba? Yung triangle natin is, ito yung centroid niya, dito at saka dito. Ano to? We have 1/3 ng height natin. No, always 1/3 from the base. Yung triangle natin. Always 1/3 from the base. No? So, for example, ito. Balik tayo doon. 1/3 from the base, no? Ayan. So, yung height niya dito, ito siya. This is its y bar. Ito naman, this is its x bar. So, ito yung base niya. 1/3 from the base. So, ito. So, ano yung height niya dito? Ano yung height niya dito? We have 120, no? So, 1/3 ng 120 is 40, no? So, therefore, this is equal to 40. How about ito? Ano yung height niya dito? The height niya dito is 60. So, 1/3 ng 60, we have 20. So, this one here is 20. Now, ano yung convention natin? If nasa negative axis, we have our centroid negative, no? So, we have here our x bar as positive 40. Positive x-axis, no? Positive 40 and negative 20. Okay? So, how about semicircle? Semicircle. Ano yung centroid niya? So, yung centroid niya is, ito yung axis of symmetry, tama? No? So, automatic, ito yung x-bar natin. No? So, ano yung x-bar natin? Just half of the diameter, which is 60, no? So we have positive 60. And then how about y? Y natin is the distance from here papunta dito sa x-axis natin. This is its y bar. No? So ano yung y bar natin? We have, ano yung distance na to? Ito, ano yung distance na to? So to calculate that, makakita natin yan sa table. That is 4r over 3 pi. Now how about ano yung distance na to? That distance is just 80, tama? So therefore, its y bar is just, ano yung y bar natin? That is just 80 plus 4r over 3 pi. Ano yung r natin? 60, no? So palitan lang natin to. 4 times 60 divided by 3 pi. Klaro? So ayan. Lastly, ito. So ito yung x bar natin, no? Center of symmetry. This is x bar, this is y bar. So pila na siya? We have 80 and 40. Tama? Klaro ba? So the next column is ito siya, the product of x bar and a. So 120 times 80 times 60, yan yung x bar natin. No? So isusulat ko na lang. No? Ayan, we have, kung i-multiply natin to, x bar times a, we have here equal to 576 times 10 to the 3, 144 times 10 to the 3, 339 times 10 to the 3, and ito siya, negative times positive, we have negative 301.6 times 10 to the 3. So kung i-total natin to lahat, this is just the summation of x bar a. That is equal to 757.7 times 10 to the 3. Okay? How about ito? Y bar times a. So i-multiply lang natin. 40 times ito, negative 20 times ito. So ayan, so masasagutan natin to. No? So kung i-sum up natin to lahat, that is just the summation of y bar a. That is equal to 506.2 times 10 to the 3. Okay? So ayan lang. Now, ano yung next step natin dito? Ano yung hinahanap natin? Yung qx at saka qy. Tama? Now, ano yung qx natin? Qx is just, ano yung qx ulit? That is just the summation of y bar a natin. So, automatic pala, ito siya is our qy. Tama? And then this one here is our qx. So, ayan lang. So, ito na yung sagot natin. No? And then, yung letter B, ano yung hinahanap sa letter B? X bar at saka y bar. Ano yung formula ng x bar at saka y bar? We have summation of y bar, x pala. X over a natin, or a or summation of a. No? So, ayan lang. So, i-divide lang natin to. This is basically equal to qy over a natin. No? Ano yung qy natin? We have 757.7 times 10 to the 3 divided by the area which is 13.828 times 10 to the 3. So therefore, yung x bar natin is 54.8 mm. No? So yung y natin, y is just equal to summation of ya over a natin. No? So this is just equal to y natin. Ito siya. 506.2 times 10 to the 3 divided by the area which is 13.828 times 10 to the 3. So yung y bar natin dito is equal to 36.6 mm. So ayan lang. Easy ra? Basic lang, no? Basic, substitute lang. As long as meron kang table. Marunong ka lang paano to maglagay dito. Again, ano yung importanteng kailangan na malaman natin dito? Kapag nasa negative axis, negative. Sa area naman, kapag nabawasan, we have negative. No? So yan lang yung tatandaan natin dito. Erase ko na. So at least sa exam, kung merong lalabas na parang ganito, is perfect na kayo. No? Easy naman eh. So ayan lang, if we locate our centroid or i-redraw natin ang locate yung centroid niya is somewhere located dito. No? Nakuha natin yung x bar at saka y bar kanina. So, ayan lang. If i-redraw natin yung centroid.